I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn on airplane mode on your Nintendo Switch 2, which will immediately disconnect Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Step 1. Navigate to your Switch 2 home screen and then click the System Settings icon in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Click to select Airplane Mode in this menu and then click to toggle on Airplane Mode. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will be disabled immediately. It's important to note that with airplane mode turned on, you can toggle on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or near-field communication, NFC, individually. For example, if you wanted to connect to a Bluetooth audio device like a wireless headset, but you still wanted to make sure Wi-Fi and NFC were disabled, you would want to toggle Bluetooth on. And you can always re-enable everything at any time by navigating back to this screen and toggling airplane mode back off. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.